Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add a subscript to texts in the Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to your document on Affinity, insert text by using the text tool here on the left hand side, position the text box. As you can see, I have created this text box for the sake of this tutorial. Double click into it to enter your text. So let me go, ABC 1, 2, 3 and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to add a number as a subscript here, let's say, for example, the number 4, right? If you press 4 or type in 4, it will look like this. So what you'll need to do, guys, is highlight the number. And then here at the top, what you want to do, guys, is no matter if you're in the vector or pixel tool, make sure that you highlight the number and then choose the subscript feature. And that is going to convert the number or the selected letter into a subscript like this. And you can keep typing, for example, in that subscript as well, right? Or highlight the text and remove the subscript effect like this. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.